Hello everyone, this is the Upper Skagit Library and this is Maker Monday. Each week we bring you a new kit that you can pick up at the library and take home to make. You can reserve your kit by calling 360-853-7939. Let's see what's in this week's kit. This week we have Hatching Dinosaurs. Inside your kit you're going to find your template, which is 2 pages and 1 fastener. What you need to provide are scissors, crayons, glue, or double-sided tape. Let's get started. Step 1, you'll need your crayons and your template. You're going to color your template any way you want. Once you have it colored, then you're going to bring in your scissors and you're going to cut all around the black line of both the egg and the dinosaur. When you've cut around the black line of both, the next step is to decide how you want to cut your egg in half. You can cut it straight across, or you can make a jagged cut across there. I chose to cut this one just straight in half. When you have your egg cut in half, your next step is to take your fastener, take 2 ends of the egg together like this, and you're just going to punch a hole through the paper with the fastener, and then flip it over and push both little ends down. Now that you have your egg fastened up, you're going to flip the template over. You're going to take your little dinosaur and your glue or your double-sided tape, just a little bit, and you're going to put it right down here on his belly. And we're going to put him, we're going to just press it right there. So when you flip it over, you have a nice little dragon egg that he's hatching out of. This has been Maker Monday with the Upper Skagit Library. See you next time.